Start with the bike in 7th gear. Use a bike stand or flip the bike upside down. Make sure to support the handlebars to prevent damage to the display. Cut the zip tie and unplug the motor connector. It is recommended to take pictures for reference of how the washers are set up on your bike before disassembly. Remove the axle nuts and washers. While holding the wheel in place, remove the torque arm. Pull back on the derailleur body as shown. While keeping your fingers clear, carefully remove the wheel from the bike. Install the included M5 by 16mm screw with a large washer through the fender into the seat stay brace. Install the included M5 by 16mm screw with a large washer through the fender into the chainstay brace. Torque both of these bolts to 5 Nm. Install the drive side fender bracket screw with a large washer. Torque to 5 Nm. When installing the rear wheel, pull back on the derailleur body and route the chain as shown. The chain should go on the smallest sprocket. Be careful when installing the rear wheel. Ensure the disc brake rotor goes into the caliper smoothly and does not get caught on one of the brake pads. Install the torque washers on the axle as shown so that the part that sticks into the dropout is on the same side as the cutout where the wire exits the axle. Install the torque arm fender bracket with the M5 by 20mm fender bracket screw. Torque to 5 Nm. Ensure the rear wheel is fully in the dropouts on each side of the motor. Tighten and torque both the motor axle nuts to 40 Nm. Line up the arrows on the connector and firmly plug in the motor connector. Secure the cable with a zip tie. Remove the headlight bolt. Position the fender tab to mount in front of the fork brace. Insert the headlight bolt through the headlight, fender tab, and fork brace. Install the nylock nut. Adjust the height of the fender so that the front of the fender and rear have an adequate gap in between the tire and the fender. Torque the bolt to 5 Nm. Use the M5 by 16mm screws to attach the fender bracket to the fork lowers. Torque to 5 Nm. Attach the other fender bracket to the fork lowers with the included M5 by 16mm screw. Torque to 5 Nm. Ensure that the fender will not contact the tire and that the fender is straight in line with the tire.